And now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with meteorologist Nick Morganelli.
Good morning on this second day of February, Groundhog Day. We've got the water vapor imagery to start with so we can see where the flow in the atmosphere is. Notice the storm track south of us. All the weather is flowing from Dallas, Texas, from Texas off to the mid-Atlantic. But this is the flow that's affecting our weather right here, right from the Arctic Circle, Alberta, Canada, the westernmost province of Canada, straight down into the Great Lakes and into New England, and that's where the Arctic air is coming from, right from the Arctic Circle as the jet stream takes a dip and moves over the eastern half of the U.S. That big dip going all the way down to Florida. They'll be cooling off there too, but we will have the Arctic air here only for a couple of days. But nonetheless, it will be brutal, and it will rival what happened back in December when we had that Arctic outbreak for just 2 or 3 days back then. So there's that storm track. We've got the rain to the south, wintry weather on the northern fringe of that. Lots of ice in here and lots of weather warnings for that too, for the ice and snow from Dallas, Texas to Memphis and parts of the Appalachians as well. As we widen the view, look to the north, this is where the front is, right in here. And back in here, look at how clear it is. When that clear sky comes in too, it will help to see the comet, but I don't know if you're going to be outside when it's too cold. So you might want to see the comet tonight. It's in the northeastern sky. See that around 10 degrees above the horizon? And you can see that green fuzzy comet. Timing everything here for you, the temperatures drop all day Friday, so the warmest or the least cold temperature would be in the morning. The afternoon temperatures go to 0, and the sub-zero wind chill kicks in. The worst feel-like temperatures or that wind chill is 20 to 30 below zero, and that's Friday night and early Saturday morning. And then we bottom out in below zero on the thermometer Saturday morning as well. High pressure in control giving us light wind right now. The front moving in, this is 5 a.m., it's pushing through already south of us. So now the Arctic air starts moving in during the day Friday with that strong northerly wind. We'll have wind gusts of 20 to 30 miles per hour. That's why the wind chill. And look at the ocean effect snow bands out in here. And there's also the freezing spray warning from the National Weather Service for the waters that get kicked up and the seawater just freezes on contact with objects. So wind gusts, this is a Friday afternoon, we're 30 to 35 miles per hour. We continue with that wind even at 10 o'clock at night. So if you have any Friday evening or afternoon plans, it's going to be really cold. And then 6 o'clock Friday morning, the wind chill is already in the single numbers, and we go below zero. By Friday evening, we're 20 below zero, and by Saturday morning, 25 below zero. You get the idea. This cold air is coming in Friday into Saturday morning for the most part. 38 today with low humidity, and 22 tonight with a clear sky for the moonlight and the comet out there. And 7-day forecast shows a warm up here. Look at this. 42 on Sunday, 48 Monday, 45 on Tuesday, and 50 degrees on Wednesday. And that's the trend. February 6th to the 10th, we've got above normal temperatures here in the Northeast. So we just got to get through a couple of days, Tiffany.